Welcome to AutoRecruit, a smart platform where recruiters can effortlessly generate interview questions, schedule interviews, and let AI handle the entire interview process on their behalf. Users can securely sign in using Google Authentication, powered by Supabase. Once logged in, the dashboard offers a clear overview of all recent and upcoming interviews. From there, recruiters can navigate to the Schedule Interview section to view and manage interview details, including candidate information. On the All Interviews page, you can explore complete interview records, status, and scheduled timings. A unique interview link is generated for each session, which can be easily copied and shared with the interviewee via email, Slack, WhatsApp, or any preferred platform. Returning to the Schedule page, recruiters can then access a detailed AI-generated report that includes a hiring recommendation and a concise summary of the interview. This report helps recruiters make informed hiring decisions quickly and efficiently. Now, let's create an interview with AI. Start by filling out a simple form. Enter the company name, job description, type of questions you want, and the duration of the interview. Then comes the magic touch. Provide a short prompt describing how you want the questions to be framed. Once you're ready, click Generate and watch the magic happen. In just seconds, AutoRecruit will create a full set of tailored interview questions for you. And just like that, your AI-powered interview is ready to go.
Voila.
Now, let's take a look at the interviewee's side. When the interviewee clicks on the shared link, they'll land on a simple, user-friendly page. Here, they need to enter their full name and email address to get verified. Once verification is complete, they can click Start Interview and begin the AI-powered interview seamlessly. The process is smooth, secure, and designed to ensure a great experience for the candidate.
Hi, Bhargav Prasad DAs, ready to dive into your front-end developer Next.js specialist interview?
Yes.
Awesome. All right, Bhargav Prasad Das, let's kick things off with a foundational question one. Can you explain the key differences between server-side rendering SSR and client-side rendering CSR in a Next.js application? Take your time and let me know when you're ready.
So, server-side rendering or the SSR is built in the Next.js rather than React.
That's all right, Bhargav.
Yes. So on the server side, it is rendering for every request, and the client side rendering, it's only loads when the browser or the client loads. And the server side rendering fully render the HTML sent from the server, and the client side rendering
Good
mostly
attempt.
it has the empty HTML files. And the server side rendering is enhance the SEO service rather than the client side rendering.
Gotcha, Bhargav. Great effort, you've touched on some important aspects. Let's move to the next question. 2. What is the purpose of the getStaticProps function in Next.js, and how does it differ from getServerSide props?
So get server side props is run on the server for every request when the like the SSR, and it fetches the dynamic data, and the get static props is fetches the static data only.
Spot on. Can you explain the difference between getStaticPaths and getStaticProps in a Next.js application? Take your time.
Okay, so get static props is fetch in the build time for a page, and it generate the static pages. And the get static paths you said it is used along with the get static props actually for dynamic routing.
You're getting there, Bhargav. You're close. Let's step it up a little. Here's the question. How would you prefetch data for a Next.js page transition using the link component? Take your time.
Can you please repeat it?
Take your time. This one is a bit tricky. Prefetching is a powerful feature to improve user experience in Next.js. Give it a shot when you're ready.
Can you please go to the next question?
Certainly, Bhargav. Let's keep the momentum going. Next question, what are API routes in Next.js, and how would you use them in your application?
Okay, so API routes you can build in the Next.js project, and it is mentioned in the API folder. And for the dynamic routing, we have to mention it within the square brackets. And for the API, we have to
Good effort, Bhargav.
name the folder for the API name, and beneath that we have to write the route.ts or the route.js file.
Let's tackle the next question. What are the main advantages of using Next? JS compared to plain React for a front-end project?
Okay, so React have the only for front end, and for next we can build the whole backend and front end within the next.
You're right, Bhargav. You've done well today answering some tough questions.
Thank you.
Shall I wrap things up for you?
Yes, thank you.
You're very welcome, Bhargav Prasad Das. You tackled some challenging Next.js questions today, and I appreciate your effort and enthusiasm. Keep sharpening those skills, you're on the right path. Thanks for your time, and I hope to see you building amazing things soon. All the best.
Thank you.
After completing the interview, the candidate is redirected to a completion page, confirming that the process was successful. If any technical issues occur during the interview, they are instead redirected to a failed page. Don't worry, clear instructions are provided on this page, guiding the candidate to contact the organization for assistance, ensuring a smooth resolution.